Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to teach you something interesting today. Do you know what? Scratch. Scratch is a fun programming game for kids. It teaches kids how to do coding. Let's go to Scratch by using the internet browser. Now I'm going to type in Scratch. So first, when you see a screen like this, you'll see a button saying join Scratch here. Press that button and then enter your username. Now after you do your username and password, click next and then you'll see what country do you, a question saying what country do you live in. So press select country and you have to select the country you live in. I live in Canada, so I'm going to pick Canada. And pick which month you were born. And you have to pick your year you were born, and then you'll again see a one button that can say next. Press it again. Question asking you what's your gender. And if you are female, you pick female. If you are male, you pick male. And then you press next again, and then it will say what's your email. You have to enter your email. And then there's another button saying create your account, and then press that. And then it will say welcome to Scratch, whatever your name is, and then you have to press the button saying get started. Then you'll see a screen like this, and then you have to press this. It will say my stuff, and then you'll see this kind of screen, and then press this button right over here that says new screen, and you'll see a screen like this. If you go right in this side, you'll see a cat standing in the middle of this square, and that's your sprite. That's your sprite, and if you want, you can add more sprites, and there's also a sprite. So you will see in this side a sprite, and in the bottom here is the size. So the normal size is 100. If you change it to a different number, it will be a different size. And this is direction. And direction is like, so you change the direction like this or that. You can change any direction, and it will change numbers. And in the side you'll see stage. If you press so stage means, so you choose any backdrop. So if you press the black backdrops, you'll see lots of pictures like this, and you have to press any picture you like, and then when you go back, you'll see it on this board. So I'm gonna choose the sky. And now you see the sky you see the same backdrop. And here also you can choose another slide. So I'm going to choose this ladybug. So this is code light over here. So these blue blocks, you can even choose like there's motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operations, and those two blocks there, and you use these code blocks to do stuff. So like if you go to code, if you want move 10 steps, you can change it to a different number. So I'm gonna change it to 16. So now I change it to 16, and if you also want, if you want, you can also put turn 15 degrees, and then you can go to looks and find say hello, and so you see this hello block. So you can change it to say anything else. Like I'm going to change it to say hi. Now we see a simple program. So go to sensing, and then you'll see ask what's your name, that kind of block, and then you can, so then you have to go back to motions and put move 10 steps, and sound, you can even make sounds, so you can play sound meow. And so first, just now if you want, you can put the green flag one and bring it up here. So when you press the green flag, it will happen. So it will ask your name, so you have to type it. So then you have to press this V kind of shape, and then it will say meow. So now you know all the codes. So now we have to do costumes. So when you press costumes, you'll see your sprite. So you can make the cat another color too by pressing fill, and then you'll see this. So you can make turn it into any color. So if you want red, you bring it to red. If you want yellow, you bring it to yellow. If you want green, you bring it to green. If you want blue, you bring it to blue. And if you want pink, you bring it to pink. If you want orange, you'll bring it to orange. So I'm going to choose it to be like a little dark blue, very dark blue, and I'm going to make the eyes a little bit more color. So I'm going to make it bright, and now I'm going to color the eyes. Now I'm going to color the outside just like light blue. So you can decorate it like I'm doing, so you can make any color. I'm going to make it yellow go. Gonna make it funny, and then so now we have to learn about sounds. So you'll see this kind of purple thing, and you'll see this. So press this and you hear the sound. It's a meow sound. And when you press in that sound thing, you will see all of these sounds. You can try one like this. Or this. So I'm going to make a simple program. So it's going to say, ask what's your name, and then it's going to say hello and say your name, whatever you typed. So I'm going to do that program. Sensing. Now I'm going to do ask what's your name block. And now we need to go to looks, get hello, and then we need to go to operations and pick join apple banana, and then you change apple, delete it, and put hello, and then you change banana to answer. So go to sensing, select answer and put it on top of banana. And now what else you need is sound. So now I'm going to learn it. Plus the blocks, and then it'll ask your name. It says hello Viyoohan and then leave. So now I'm going to save the program. So next week I'll teach you the second lesson. Save. So after you saved, you have to go press this file button over here, and then press it, and you'll see this program. You only have, it says unshared projects, and it says 1, and everything else says 0 because you didn't do anything else. So we learned today about the sprite, and we learned about the costume and the code and the sound, and we created a simple project, and the project is like, so where you type your name, and then it says hello and whatever your name is, and then makes the song. See you in my next lesson. We learn more about Scratch and more about making projects in the next lesson next week in Friday. Bye.